Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Get Emails purchase. Why you should consider buying Get Emails. Get Emails provides a software as a service, cloud-based email-based retargeting solution that allows marketers to identify and capture up to 35% of their anonymous web traffic and acquire email addresses that are not yet on their list. Get Emails integrates directly with all major email service providers like Klaviyo, ActiveCampaign, and MailChimp. Email-based retargeting best practices. Email marketing is about deliverability, the art, and the science of getting an email to your inbox. Deliverability is about engagement, high open rates, high click rates, low bounces, and low complaints. Email-based retargeting, if done the right way, has great deliverability. Here are some best practices. Send a thanks for stopping by the site email. For an e-commerce brand, use your normal welcome series, but use this subject line for the first email. For publishers, send an email with this subject line and some of your top content. Sign up free for Get Emails and lower your cost per lead by 90%. Get a Get Emails account for free today, and you'll start thinking about how you ever survived without them. Connect your anonymous website visitors to real people. Safely retarget them with email through real-time, one-to-one, fully compliant interactions, all the tools you need in one platform without having to duct tape multiple platforms together. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Get Emails and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.